so light compared to that stupid thing.
Compared to Frankie.
Oh fuck, that thing's heavy. It's ridiculous. This might be as heavy if I have to use that other power supply, because I don't know if the Asus one will fit. Mine only just fit in that. Only just. It was crazy.
Here we go. What brand did you say it was again?
What brand? I don't know.
Yeah, you do.
It's a Lian.
It's a Lian.
L-I-N? L-I-A-N?
Yeah.
L-I. China number one.
L-I-N space L-I.
China number one.
China.